What's up, everybody? My name is Roger Mayer, Program Manager here at Geekdom, and I'm happy to introduce finalists for the community fund, PrintNet3D.
Howdy, my name's Carter.
And I'm Dale.
And we're co-founders of PrintNet3D. PrintNet3D makes manufacturing automation software for a distributed world. I'm sure you guys have seen 3D printers, but did you know they come in all different shapes and sizes? They range from desktop machines to industrial rigs that are capable of printing houses. Now, we're not here to talk about machinery. I'm more interested in what these products can create. It can create everything from footwear to orbital rockets. We're seeing Adidas deploy this technology to create custom 3D printed midsoles that are form-fit to your feet, or Relativity Space use it to create rockets with 100 times fewer parts. See, 3D printing fundamentally changes the way products are designed and ultimately manufactured. And that's why we're seeing GM, Ford, the US military, and energy companies start to deploy this technology at scale. Now, you're probably wondering, what does a 3D printing facility look like? Well, it looks like this. This is a 3D print farm. Now, this may look beautiful, but it's managed by old, outdated software, like this. Using these clunky user interfaces leads to a lot of problems downstream. Not only are they unsightly, but they're dysfunctional. This leads to unpredictable maintenance, impossible to manage workflows, and with poor software integration, you end up bouncing between all these different platforms. And this creates a bunch of business outcomes that are not favorable, like unexpected costs, backlog of orders, and most importantly, underutilized print time. We make production software made by makers. In conjunction with our industry partners, and after interviewing countless industry leaders, we feel that these are the core pillars of a product that fulfills the needs of every additive manufacturing facility. With our dynamic scheduler, we seamlessly plug into your sales channels and order channels to automate the scheduling process. And not only that, but we save you time and energy by not having to go back and correct scheduling mistakes. With our advanced analytics and software integrations, we plug into multiple software platforms and track all your different hardwares to give you the ability to build custom reports that otherwise wasn't possible. The load balancing feature is one of our more novel features that our competitors simply aren't working on. And not only do we save you time with your production, but in times of need, we help you shop out those orders to other trusted manufacturers within our network. As we alluded to earlier, the industry is rapidly growing. With an average CAGR of 20 to 30%, we're just beginning to see the evolution and growth of this industry. As for our competitors, the main things I'd like to focus on are our dynamic scheduler and the load balancing features. These are core features that our competitors aren't working on, and we feel that they're integral to building a distributed manufacturing network. Our traction is significant, and we have to thank Geekdom for this. But something that I really like to focus on are our industry partnerships with Axelbox and Accelerate3D. Together with them, we're building technology that people don't want, but need. As for our business model, it's simple. We operate on a simple subscription model, charging per machine per month, and is stratified between professional and industrial printers. As for load balancing and network, we operate on a fee-based model.
And this isn't our first rodeo. We're all former tech founders, and we like to think of ourselves as builders and makers at heart. We have a long-standing relationship within this community for support and engagement. Part of our origin story was a project that we did with community labs back at the height of COVID to solve a problem that they had. And that really was the aha moment that defined what is the model behind our business. We also have continued engagement in projects that we are doing today with Geekdom, and we plan to utilize these funds to not only hire within the community for developers to further our product, but also to engage with local media and marketing talent and expertise within this community.